I sometimes wonder why I'm still single, and then this is how I do things. Today we'll be making 2 ingredient recipes that I really want to show you that's super easy, and I can't even believe that these are super easy to make. With that being said, let's get started. Really all you need is a self-rising flour, 1 cup of self-rising flour, 1 cup of yogurt. Just mix. Oh, it's very like shaggy. I added more flour just because it's still really sticky. Oh, now it's kind of going pretty good. It smells so good, to be honest. This is the fun part. Guys, bagel! I need to be less excited. Just put it nice here, like so. Oh my god, another one. Why does this look like this? I feel like these will be like a little bit chewier. Maybe I'll just do another one like that. This is what the bagels look like. I'm not gonna put any oil because I want it to be like actual 2 ingredient recipe. See you in 20 minutes. So while our bagels are baking in the oven, I'm gonna make our dessert, which is Sour Patch grapes. I've been seeing these recipes on TikTok and I really want to try it myself, so you need some grapes. We're gonna get some grapes and I'm gonna cut them like halfway, like so. And I'm gonna put them on this tray. Oh my god, that was close. I almost slit my fingers. Okay, now that you have your grapes, I like slit them open halfway. So just add your lemon, like so. I don't know how sour they're gonna be. I know it's like optional, but you can put sugar, I think. Okay, I'm gonna drizzle some sugar on this part. I'm gonna put this in the fridge for maybe like a couple hours, and then I'll come back for snacking. Okay guys, it's been 20 minutes since we popped this in the oven, and I actually did try to like add some sesame seeds on top of the bagels so that it has that bagel-y look, but I mean it didn't really work out. So we have plain bagels, so what, okay? I'm so excited to try these. Oh, it's kind of chewy from just touching it. Oh, it's hot. Wow, look at that. I mean, I've been craving for a bagel too, and bagels are not really easy to find in Indo. Which one am I gonna eat? But they're very like, I don't know, for a bagel, it doesn't really look like a bagel, or does it? I don't know. Okay, let's just cut this open. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Ooh, it's hot. Okay, for our toppings, use sour cream and blueberry. I don't know if that's gonna be weird.
One week later.
Okay, so the exterior of the bagel is definitely like bouncy. It really has that bagely taste, you know, and texture. But the inside though, I don't know if these are undercooked or I didn't let it cool enough. I'm also used to eating bagel with cream cheese, and I don't have that right now. That may be why it's not like 100% for me, but it's definitely at 75-80%. I'm so confused, guys. But I think right off the bat, the texture is really nice. It really has that bagely texture. I will also write down the recipes, the actual measurements that I use in the description box. So if you guys didn't really watch me ramble, you guys can look there. But I think these are amazing, and I'm gonna definitely make again when I have cream cheese. I think that will be like 100%, you know? The snapback is definitely there. This was way more successful than the banana breads I've made. Okay guys, for lunch, we're gonna make some garlic pasta, and it's actually only 2 ingredients. It's just the pasta and garlic. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this huge bulb of garlic on the top until you see something like this. You don't have to actually cut the entire thing. You don't even have to peel the skin. Yeah, it smells really fragrant already. You can add oil, but I'm trying not to eat oil, so I'm just gonna do this, and we're gonna wrap this in foil like so. Okay, we're gonna wrap it in foil, and then we're gonna pop it in the oven for an hour at 350 degrees, and I'm gonna show you guys what happens when I take it out of the oven. We get our garlic. Okay. See you in 1 hour. Okay, it's been an hour and it smells so freaking good. Handle with care. We let it sit here while we cook our noodles. Oh. So apparently you just like squeeze the cream out of it. Okay, let's see if it will work. Oh shit. Wow. Oh my god, look at this cream just from basically roasting garlic. Growing up, I didn't really like garlic, but I just had like that, and that was, oh my god, that is really good. It's like very caramelly and like salty, and it has that kind of peppery taste to it. I don't know. Oh my god, look at that. Like, why is that good? I'm here for a quick snack, and remember the sour patch grapes that we were making earlier? I froze it for a couple hours. It's super cold, and I'm gonna try them. This side I like put in actual sugar just to sprinkle on top of it, and then this one is just grape and lemon. I'm so excited. Okay, let's try. Oh wow. Shit, it tastes really good. It tastes kind of like popsicle. Okay, let's try the sugar one. This one's with sugar. Can you even see? My hands are cold. The ones with sugar are alright. They're like good too, but I don't know, I kind of prefer the ones without sugar just because the grape is already like really sweet. Damn. I like how they make like little indents. And it's not really sour too. They're like perfect. Dude, why are these so good? Some of the lemon did freeze too. Oh my god, these cheese is so good. 10 out of 10, I would recommend doing this again. Okay, we have our pasta, just finished it, and then we have the garlic that we roasted and squeezed. Doesn't look pretty. Look how creamy the pasta becomes. Let's give it a try. Oh wow. It's very creamy. And I think mine is a bit salty because I salted the water before I cooked the pasta. Oh, it's good though. Okay, I know it's kind of cheating, but I'm gonna add some Parmesan. Actually, it's even better without the Parmesan because it's already salty from the garlic, I think. Guys, I'm so dumb. I burnt my hand. And my last clip got cut off. That is it for today's video. I had so much fun filming it and sharing all these amazing recipes to you guys. I hope you guys find it accessible. I think the ingredients are pretty easy to find, to be honest. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. I would love to read all your questions and feedback. And with that being said, if you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to hit subscribe because I post new videos every week. And let's just hang out, you know. It's still quarantine mode to a lot of us if we're abiding by the social distancing rules. So let's just hang out and spend quarantine together. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next videos. Bye.